Okay guys, it's Sarah with Paint and Party again. I am going to show you all how I made this fun little flower here. It's just, I used a toilet paper roll, a paintbrush, a piece of paper, and I've just got some paints. I'm using the Apple Barrel brand again, but you could use whatever brand you want to. And I just grabbed any kind of paper that you have. I just have some cardstock here that I've been using. Okay. All right, so we're gonna start with the center, and what we're gonna do, this has a little bit of green on it from painting that, but you could use multiple toilet paper rolls so you don't get paint all over your hands like me. But if you just have, you know, one, you could cut it in half and use, you know, use the different sides for different colors. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna just use our toilet paper roll to make these shapes, okay? So the first one is just a circle, so I want you guys to rub it around in your yellow paint. Okay, and then decide where you want your flower to be. I'm gonna do mine just right in the center. And we're just gonna make a circle with our yellow paint. Okay. Now I'm gonna switch it to the other side, and I'm gonna have a pink flower. You could have whatever color paint that you have on hand. Okay, so I'm going to squish it a little bit so it's not a circle, it's more of an oval. And I'm going to just go around and make some petals here with my pink paint. You could use more than one color if you wanted to. I'm gonna wipe some of this yellow off here. So we're just gonna keep going around the flower. Our little petals. There's not really a perfect spot where they have to be. They're all gonna look different. It's part of the fun. Okay. Now I'm gonna use a paintbrush. If you don't have a paintbrush, you could use like a Q-tip. You could use something else. I got a little bit of pink in there, but that's okay. Make it a little orangey. Okay. And then I'm going to put a stem on there. Now, if you wanted to color in your pink petals, you can. You don't have to. Remember, you can always pause me anytime you want. So I'm gonna just make myself a stem here. I'm gonna go in between one of the petals and down. Okay. Wipe a little bit of that pink off. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to my green here, and I'm gonna put it on. I'm just using the side where I had the yellow. You could wipe some of the yellow off. You could let it mix together. It'll just make like a neon color. Now I've got my circle, got it kind of pushed together to make a petal. And I'm just going to do 1 and 2. Put a little bit more on there. Grab my paintbrush again, and I'm just going to even out these lines a little bit. Now you could fill these in if you want to, the same as we did the center of the flower, or you can leave them. And then I just put some grass, so I'm just taking my brush, swooshing it up. Okay. All right, and just a couple of other little things. I did a blue bird in the sky. So when you make these birds, it looks kind of like an M. An M with a little swirl on the ends. Okay. One more rinse. And I'm gonna make a sun. Okay, and that's it. You could add anything else you wanted to it. You could do even like some polka dots on the flowers. You could do anything. I'm just using the tip of my paintbrush. Do a turquoise one. Ta-da! And that's it. So again, it's Sarah with Paint and Party. Watch again. Keep an eye on the Facebook group. I will have some more kids crafts and even some stuff for moms. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.